Hi guys, do you know 1,77,000 students out of 2,22,000 who appeared for the CAT exam, 1,77,000 students could not solve even one set in DILR section. One set. Yeah. So explain my data. I'm taking it over website Cadify, which is dedicated for CAT 2023. If you go to the score versus percentile, you will find the table for DILR. And this table for DILR I want to explain today. So if you score 0 marks, you are scoring 20 percentile. This score versus percentile purely from the DILR section, scale scores. Yeah, 30 percentiler is getting 1 mark. Imagine if I score 30 percentile. If I do one question and two questions, one wrong, one right, or whatever. If I get 1 mark, I'm 30 percentile. If I do one question correct in the whole CAT paper, I'm touching 50 percentile. मतलब आधा लोग 1,11,000 student could not solve even one question correct. One question. Yeah, that's the scary part of the DILR section. So the number where I came from, see 4 questions in one set. Let's assume 4 questions in one set into 3 marks per question, 12 marks. So 12 mark is 80 percentile, which means 1,77,000 students have scored will be scoring 80 percentile. This is scary. So it works both way. Either I can get demotivated by looking at this number, or I can feel motivated कि यार तो cut off तो कुछ भी नहीं है. So if you go to our website DILR, all the links I've given in the description box. In the DILR, I've given the complete syllabus for the DILR section. So there's 16 topics, and this is the fundamental problem what students do. They don't completely look at the syllabus. They look every set in silos. Yeah, there are type of questions. For example, I have divided DILR into mota 16 types. For example, if I look at games, I've divided games into 5 types. Modern math 3 types, calculation based question 5 types, and arrangement based question, logic based question 3 types. So there are 16 type of questions. All I have to do is go deep into every type of question. Fine. Obviously, the paper I'm going to get will not be very exactly same as this, but even if I get 2 sets, ज़्यादा नहीं मांगता बाबा जी, मेरे को बस 2 सेट दे दो. If I can get 2 sets out of my done sets, you are sorted. Yeah, 2 set correct, you are suddenly jumping into 95 percentile plus. So that is going to be our target to score more. Fine. At IIMking, we are launching our program. So 3 months crash course. Target is to increase your score by 30 marks, which includes verbal, dialogic, and quant, with focus on basic and advanced both, because only doing basics doesn't make sense. Only going for the advanced level doesn't make sense. So in case you want to join this program, you can just call or WhatsApp any of the numbers given here. Okay, my team will be helping you out. You can join us offline in Thane, or Thane, Dadar, Vashi, Borivali, Pune, or online by calling any of these numbers given here. So rather than getting scared, please take it as a motivating factor कि यार मेरे को बस 2 सेट सॉल्व करना है and I am sorted. All the best.